What's up everybody, JD here with VMP Performance, and we're going to go back a little bit in time right before the VMP open house in February to tell you a little bit about a really cool build and a really cool story that we had happen right here at the facility. So this customer, Gabriel, his son had been calling us and kind of setting things up as a big surprise for his dad. And under the guise of coming to a car meet at VMP Performance, he showed up here to get the car dropped off for a huge build.
We pull up, and I'm like, I see VMP, I'm like, wait a minute, what we doing? And then when I get out of the car, I'm like, what we doing? He's like, surprise. Awesome. And
That's
then
so
we come
cool.
in the door, and I'm just like, and now it's starting to come together. Because we've been talking about it, and I didn't get a Christmas present. I didn't get a birthday present. So
Happy New Year.
I'm getting it all together.
So how awesome is that for his son to surprise him like that and get him all set up? So it's got a built motor and a Roush 2.3. It's on a 75mm pulley with exhaust, and it's got a custom tune in it. So let's see what this car lays down on the dyno. So this car made 689 real-wheel horsepower, a great number for the Roush blower, but as you always know, it's never enough. So let's get this thing in the shop and get started on all the modifications. Sweet, so everything's on the car now. We went with the Gen3R. It's got a built transmission, did a set of axles in the car, a return style fuel system, plus a 10-rib kit. So with the Gen3R on a 79mm pulley and a 20% lower, let's get this thing up on the dyno and see what the new number is going to be. That's an incredible 1001 rear-wheel horsepower. That's again with the Gen3R on the 85, 79mm upper pulley and a 20% lower. This thing is a monster. What a surprise, right? If you're interested in doing things like this to your ride, give us a call at the shop, 321-206-9369, or email us at sales@vmpperformance.com and we'll get you hooked up. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this.